2024 has truly been the year of Balatro, the roguelike poker-inspired card game that seemingly came out of nowhere to dominate our gaming time. From its early success on PC and consoles to its near-perfect mobile release this fall, Balatro is the game that everyone can't stop talking about. While plenty of games have attempted to make the jump from desktop to mobile, Balatro stands out as a masterclass in how to do it right. Available on both iOS and Android for just $10, $5 cheaper than its PC or console versions, the game offers a premium experience with no microtransactions or intrusive ads. This includes all the crossover card backs, like those featuring characters from The Witcher and Cyberpunk 2077, along with the massive update set to arrive in early 2025. The genius of Balatro on mobile lies in its touch-optimized interface. PlayStack, the game's publisher, tweaked the UI to make drag-and-drop gameplay smooth and satisfying. Moving cards feels intuitive and natural, almost better than using a keyboard or controller. Fans of games like Hearthstone or Marvel Snap will immediately appreciate the mobile version's design. Foldable phones like the Google Pixel Fold and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold have taken the Balatro experience to another level. The game's larger UI perfectly matches foldable screens without feeling cramped, offering players more room to strategize and move cards. While it doesn't fully utilize the vertical space foldables offer, the experience is still smooth and immersive. Sure, there are a few small gripes. The placement of the skip button when opening card packs can be awkward, leading to accidental taps. And while Balatro isn't a gambling game, its poker aesthetic can give casual onlookers the wrong impression. But these minor issues don't overshadow the game's brilliance. In a mobile gaming world dominated by cash-grab titles, Balatro is a breath of fresh air. It's fun, addictive, and thoughtfully designed, a rare gem in 2024 that continues to set the bar for premium mobile experiences. If you haven't played Balatro yet, there's no better time to try it than now.